Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to leave a challenge on the Strava application. So first of all, you need to do, just go and download the Strava application if you already have it. If you don't have it, sorry, on your phone. Of course, if you have it, that will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you do that, you'll have to go and open the Strava application out. And of course, if it's your first time opening the application, you'll actually ask you to log in into your account. So if you have an account, make sure to just go and log in into it. But if you don't, you will need to go and actually create your account, and they'll provide you three options to do so. You can create your account with Facebook, Google, or even email. Choose whatever suits you, and of course, once you do that, you will find once you actually created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself at the home option of the Strava application. And here, that's gonna be your home screen or your main screen. And of course, here you're gonna find your activities that you posted, posts like pictures. You can add or upload more posts, photos, manual activities. Of course, you can edit or delete some of your activities, photos, posts, whatever, or segments as they call it here in Strava. But what we said in the Strava application, we would like to leave a challenge. So of course, first of all, how to join a challenge. You can just go here to this group option at the bottom, kind of right option. And if you are like at other option, make sure to go to this challenges. So as you can see here, I can actually join some challenges. So let's pretend that we would like to join this challenge. And as you can see, now I am at this challenge. And as you can see, I have to complete 5 kilometer run, and I will be completing this challenge. And as you can see, there is a lot of people competing in this challenge as well. So how can I actually leave that challenge? So of course, if you want to leave it, you can just go to the challenge as you can see. Let's say as an example, that is the challenge that you are in. Just click on it. And normally you'll find your challenge here, as we said, groups and active. Make sure to go to active and you'll find the challenges that you are active on, or you can just go to challenges and you find something like a check mark here. That means you are in this challenge. So once you are there, just click at this, which is going to be the name of the challenge, which is here January 5K. Click on it and you will find this page. Scroll down a bit and you will have this option to leave the challenge. Click on it, and as you can see, if you want to leave the challenge, click at leave challenge and you actually will be good to go and you'll just leave the challenge. So that's all actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.